Students, very good afternoon. Now today we will solve maths revision worksheet and paper pattern practice test 1. Okay, so very first thing is you have to write in maths worksheet with a blue gel pen. Okay, and first you will write your name, your division and date. Very important, you have to write all this details. Okay, now we will start with question number 1. Read the following numbers and write them in words. First read question very carefully and then go to the number 1, question number 7658. This is the number. So very first thing is you will write the place value, that is unit, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay, so it will be easy to understand and write that words. Okay students, so let's start with number 1. First 7 is in thousand place, so we'll write 7000. Then 6 is in hundred place, so 7658, as we are taking unit and tens together. So the final answer is 7658. Okay. Now second number is 3465. Here 3 is in thousand place, 4 is in hundred place, 6 and 5. 6 is in tens place and 5 is in unit place. So how we will write this? 3465. Full stop. Okay. Clear? Now, question number 3, if you will see unit place, tens place and hundred place we have 0 and thousand place we have 4, 10,000 place we have 7. Okay. So as I told you that thousand place and 10,000 place we are taking together. So how we will write this? 74,000, because in unit, tens and hundred place we have 0. So the answer is 74,000. Yes students? Now question number 4, same way we will write unit, tens, 100,000 and 10,000. As we have 10,000 place, so we will take 1,000 and 10,000 place together. So the answer is 84,456. Students, you have to write proper spelling, 84,456. Clear? So when you are writing number in words, please see that your spelling should be proper. Now, question number 2, write the given numbers in figures. Whatever you have numbers, you have to write in figures. So that for that also you will write the places, unit, tens and hundred. So here 400 means 4 is given in hundred place and 79. 7 will come in tens place and 9 will come in unit place. So final answer is 479. Clear students? Now, next number is 8442. So 8 will come in thousand place, 8004 will come in hundred place and 42. 4 will come again in tens place and 2 will come in unit place. So answer is 8442. Clear? Now third question, third number is 6398. So 6000, 6 will come in thousand place, 3 will come in hundred place and 98. So 9 will come in tens place and 8 will come in unit place. So the answer is 6398. Clear everyone? Put full stop at the end. Now fourth number, 90,000. See here, 90,000. So 9 is in thousand place, that is 10,000 place, and in other thousand place, hundred place, tens place and unit place we will put 0 because we don't have any number, only we have 90,000. So 90,000 means 0 will come in thousand place and 9 will come in 10,000 place. So our answer is 90,000. This is the way to write any number in figures. Clear students? Now question number 3. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. As I told you, expanded means you have to break the numbers and you have to put addition sign, and according to place wise you have to put the zeros. So here again you will write unit, tens, hundred and thousand. So here 5 is in thousand place, so we will add 3 zeros, plus 7 is in hundred place, 6 is in tens place and unit place we will not add any zero. So answer is 5000 plus 7000 plus 60 plus 8. Now next is unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 6 is in 10,000 place. So 4 zeros we will add, 1 in thousand place, 3 is in hundred place, 2 is in tens place and 4 is in unit place. So this is 60,000 plus 1,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 4. So this is the way to write any number in expanded form. Now we have third number, 8,502. So 8 is in 1000 place, 5 is in 100 place, so we'll add 2 0, and 10s place we have 0, so as it is we will write 0. Okay, no need to add extra 0. Plus 2 is in unit place. Clear students? 8500 plus 0 plus 2. Now, fourth question, 20,457. 2 is in 10,000 place. We will add 4 zeros. 0 again we will not add anything. As it is we will write in 1000 place. Plus 400 plus 5 is in 10s place. We will write 50 plus 7. So this is the way to write any number in expanded form. Clear students? Yes. Now we will do question number 4. Write the place value of the underlined digits in the following numbers. Only you have to see the underlined digit. Here underlined number is 3. Okay, first question 5348. Here the number the digit 3 is underlined. So how we will write this? Yes, 3 is in unit, tens and 100 place. So 3 is in 100 place. So the place value of 3 is 300. Okay. Now second question 7846. So 4 is in tens place, students. So place value of 4 is, yes, it is 40. Yes. Now we have third question 9217. So place value of 9 is here 9000, because 9 is in 1000 place. Yes, you will write unit, tens, 100 and 1000, and it will be very easy to understand. Now we have fourth number 8653. Students, 3 is in unit place. So we will write as it is. Place value of 3 is 3 only, because 3 is given in unit place. Clear? Now we have question number 5. See the digits of unit place and write whether the number is odd or even. So here only we will see unit place. So 0 is given in unit place. I have explained you 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. Clear? So here we have 0 in unit place. So this is even number. So 20 is an even number. Now second number 57. 7 is in unit place and 7 is an odd number. So here the answer is odd number. Now third question 9 is in unit place. So 9 is an odd number. Okay. So here we will write the answer odd number. Now 24. Fourth number 4 is in unit place. So this is even number. Clear students? Yes. Now we will do question number 6. Arrange vertically and add. See, every time when we do vertical, see this is vertical arrangement of addition. So we will write unit, tens, 100 standing way, and then we will add. Okay students? So first what you will do, you will put line with by using of pencil and scale. Put line so that it will be very neat and clean and you can do easily. So let's start with the first addition 879 and 343. First we will arrange these numbers according to their places, unit, tens and 100. So let's start with the unit place. 9 plus 0, 9 after 10, 11, 12. 2 will come in unit place, 1 will come in tens place. Now 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 4, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 will come here and 1 we will carry in 100 place. Now 8 plus 1 is 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 we will write in 100 place and 1 we will write in 1000 place. So our final answer is 1222. Clear students? Yes. Now we will do the next question 6375 plus 2897. Now let's start with the unit place. 5 plus 7 we have 12. 1 we will carry in tens place. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 after 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 7 we will write in tens place. 1 we will carry in 100 place. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 after 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 we will write in 100 place. 1 we will carry in 1000 place. So here 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 after 2, 7, 8, 9. So here we will write 9. So our final answer is 9272. Clear students? Now we will do the third question 6724 plus 246. So let's start with the unit place. 4 plus 6 is 10. We will carry 1 in tens place. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 after 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 we will write in tens place. Then afterwards next number in 100 place. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 6 we will write as it is. So final answer for this is 6970. Yes, students, now we'll do the last fourth addition. The number is 4567 plus 1200. Okay, so we'll start from unit side. 7 plus 0 is 7. 6 plus 0 is 6. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. And 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so the final answer is 5767. So students, it's clear how to do, and you have to do with a blue gel pen, very neat and clean. You have to use pencil and scale so that this will be very neat and clean.
Question number 7. Write the given numbers in ascending and descending order. So students, here given the numbers and you have to write these numbers in ascending and descending order. So students, I have already told you what is the ascending order. Ascending means increasing order, means we have to write down the numbers from smaller to bigger. So here see 926, 4532 and 2021. So in this, the smaller number is 2021. After that, 3926 will come and the bigger number is 4532. So this is the ascending order. And descending order means bigger to smaller number. So first we'll write the bigger number 4532, then we'll write 3926, and last one we will write the smaller number 2021. So this is the descending order. Now see this question number 2 here. Given the question 6375, 5435 and 8765. So in this you will see that 5435 is the smaller number. So this will write first, because ascending order we have to write down the number from smaller to bigger. So in middle number is 6375 and the last bigger number is 8765. So this is the ascending order. And in descending order we will write the first number 8765, 6375 and 5435. Means in descending order we have to write down the numbers from bigger to smaller. Now see this question number 3 here given 4548, then 2367 and 8765. Now the ascending order is smaller to bigger, means first we have to write down the number 2367, then 4548 and the bigger number is 8765. And in descending order we'll write the number from bigger to smaller. So bigger number is 8765, after that 4548 will come and the smaller number is 2367. Now we'll see the fourth question here given 5004, then 3002 and 4009. So in ascending order which number will come first? Yes, the smaller number is 3002, then afterwards 4009 and last the bigger number is 5004. So this is the ascending order. And in descending order, first bigger number will come 5004, then 4009 and the smaller number 3002. So students, all of you understood ascending means smaller to bigger number we have to write, and in descending bigger to smaller number. Now we'll see the question number 8 here. Observe the figure below and write right angle, acute angle or obtuse angle. Students, I have already taught you about the right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. So students, the angle exactly 90 degree is called as right angle. So we'll see that this is exactly 90 degree. So we'll write it as right angle. Now you will see the second figure. You will see that this is not 90 degree, but this is greater than 90 degree. So when the angle is greater than 90 degree, that angle is called an obtuse angle. So you will see that this is greater than 90 degree. So we'll write it as obtuse angle. So this is an obtuse angle. And the next one, you will see that this is less than 90 degree. You can observe this figure. So this is less than 90 degree. So we'll write it as acute angle. So acute angle. So understood students, the figure which is exactly 90 degree is called as right angle. The angle which is greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle, and the angle which is less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. So students, see, for the word problem, here is no proper place to do the sum. So what we'll do, we'll make two columns here. So draw one line here by scale and pencil. You have to write down the given, then find out, then operation, then method, and then answer. So in paper and your school notebook, don't do like this. In this worksheet, we have no proper place to do the sum. So we are doing this. Okay. Now we'll see the next word problems. Question number 9, students. First you have to read the given question very carefully. See, Priya bought one toy for rupees 490 and another toy for rupees 770. How much did she spend altogether? So what is given here, students? Priya bought two toys. How many toys? So we'll write this in given. Priya bought two toys and the cost of one toy. So cost of one toy is given here, rupees 490. So we'll write this rupees 490. And the cost of second toy is given here, rupees 770. So we'll write this in given 770, the cost of second toy. Now what is the question asked here? You will see how much did she spend altogether. Means this question you have to write down in find out. So in find out, what we'll write? How much she spent altogether. And give question mark here. So this is our find out. Now we have to find out the keyword here. So what is the keyword given? Yes, here given, see, altogether, in all, total and altogether. These three are the keywords. But in this question, altogether keyword is given. You will see this. So underline this altogether. And here also in find out also you have to underline this. So what is the operation? When altogether word is there, we have to do the addition. So operation is addition. Now the fourth step is here we'll write that method. So in method what we'll do? First we'll write the places here. See, units, tens, hundreds, thousand. Then write down the given number. So first number we'll write 490. 0 we'll write here. Then 9 in tens place. Then 4 in hundreds place. And we'll add the second number which is 770. So 0 in units place. 7 is in tens place. And 7 is in hundreds place. Now add this both the numbers, 0 plus 0. Start your addition from units place. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 7 is how many? 16. So write down 6 in tens place and 1 we have to carry over in hundreds place. Now in hundreds place, see, 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 7 is 12. So write down 2 in hundreds place, 1 we have to carry over in thousands place. Now, so see here, there are no numbers in thousands place. So only 1 is there. So directly write down 1 in thousands place. So our number 1260. So Priya spent rupees 1260 altogether for two toys. So how many she spent in all? Yes, rupees 1260. Understood, students? Yes. Now see the second question here. Arya deposited rupees 3,500 in one bank and rupees 4,300 in another bank. How much she deposited in all? So students, see what is given here. Arya deposited rupees 3,500 in one bank and rupees 4,300 in another bank. Means in two banks she deposited the money. So how much she deposited in all? In all means what? Means total we have to find out how many total amount she deposited in both the banks. So what in given what we'll write? Arya deposited rupees 3,500 in one bank and rupees 4,300 in another bank. So in find out what we'll write? See in question what is given here? How much she deposited in all. So this you have to write down in find out. So how much she deposited in all. Then underline this in all word. because this is the keyword for addition, and give question mark here. So see, in question also you have to underline this word in all, because we have to underline the keyword. So in all is the keyword. Now what is the operation? Yes, operation is addition. So we'll write here addition. Now next step is method. So we'll write method here. So see, unit in units place, from start writing your number from units place. So see, first number we'll write 3500. So 0 in units place, 0 in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, and 3 is in thousands place. So this is our 3500, plus we have to add second number 4300. So 0 will come units place, then 0 will come in tens place, then again 3 will come in hundreds place, and 4 will come in thousands place. Now add from units place. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 plus 3 is 7. So see, our answer is 7800, means she deposited rupees 7800. See here, Roshan buys a chair worth rupees 575 and table worth rupees 399. How much did he spend in all? So what is the meaning of this question, students? Roshan buys a chair, means Roshan bought a chair worth rupees 575 and a table of rupees 399. So this is given. So you have to write this in given. See, Roshan buys a chair worth rupees 575 and a table worth rupees 399. And what is question asked here? How much did he spend in all? So this is a find out. So write down this in find out. How much did he spend in all? So students, what is the keyword here? So see, in all word is there. So underline this word. This is the keyword for addition. Means you have to do the addition here. So operation is what? Addition. So write down addition in operation. Now the fourth step is what? Method. So see, you write down the given numbers 575. So 575, that is 575, plus second number is 399. So 9 in units place, 9 in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place. Now add this both the numbers. 5 plus 9 is 14. So write down 4 in units place, and 1 you have to carry over in tens. 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 plus 9 is 17. So write down 7 in tens place, and 1 we have to carry over in hundreds place. Now see, 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9. So see, our answer is 974. It means Roshan spent total rupees 974 in all. So Roshan spent rupees 974. Understood, students? Yes. Now see, students, the question number 4 here. Smita purchased history book for rupees 342 and science book for rupees 674. How much amount she spent in all? So what is given here, students? See, Smita, she purchased history book and science book. 2 books she purchased. For history books, she has given 342 rupees, and for science book, she has given 674 rupees. So this we have to write down in given. So see, Smita purchased history book for rupees 342 and science book for rupees 674. And what is asked here? How much amount she spent in all? So this is, we have to find out. So write down this and find out how much amount she spent in all, and give question mark here. So what is the keyword in this question? See here, in all word is there, no? So underline this word in all. In find out also you have to underline this word. So is the sum of addition. So in operation, what we have to write down? Addition. And the next fourth step is method. After operation, we'll do method. So write down the places here. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands. So write down first number 342. Start writing your number from units place. So 2 is in units place, 4 is in tens place, 3 is in hundreds place. Then add second number here, 674. So 4 will come units place, 7 will come in tens place, and 6 will come in hundreds place. Now add this both the numbers. So units, 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 7 is 11. So write down 1 in tens place. 1 you have to carry over in hundreds place. Now in hundreds place, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. So write down 0 here, and 1 we have to carry over in thousands place. So we'll see here, no number is there in thousands place. So only 1 is there. So directly write down 1 in thousands place. So see, our answer is 1016. It means Smita spent rupees 1016 and all. Understood, students? In this way, you have to write down the given revision worksheets. First, you have to read the given sums carefully, then find out the keyword, and in 5 steps we have to do the given sum. See, given, then find out, then operation, then method, and then answer. Okay, students? Okay, thank you.